Case right here, the battery of this truck went down, and this is the reason why the lights, the brake light stays on. As you can see, they are on. That's why the lights, the battery went down. La batería de esta camioneta se bajó. Y aquí está el problema por el cual se bajó. En este caso no tenemos, aquí como en el otro que le enseño, no tenemos pedazos de grommet que se cayó, pero les voy a enseñar la razón por qué igual que el otro video que tengo en Nissan, por qué las luces se quedaron prendidas. Why the lights stays on, the battery went down. See, the battery drained the battery overnight. See this. This is the brake light switch right here, and as you can see right here, there's no grommet. Right there should have a grommet. Ahí debería de tener una goma para que empuje el switch de la luz. ¿Sí? Como en el otro caso, sí, it's supposed to have the grommet right here, and it's missing to push this one right here. So as with the other video I have here too, I'm going to replace that grommet, but instead of the grommet I always use this bolt, 1/2 inch length, quarter inch bolt, 1/2 inch length with the nut. See, that's what I have been using for years to fix this problem, so the customer never have this problem again. Así es como le he puesto un tornillo de 1/4 de pulgada de grueso por media de largo. Es lo que siempre he usado para componer estos casos que pasan del grommet. Lo que vamos a hacer aquí, primero vamos a poner el freno de mano, el emergency brake right there on, and I need to start the engine. We need to start the engine so the engine help us to push the brake pedal, because right now it's hard because the booster is not helping us. Sí, poner el freno de mano primero para ayudarnos y prender el motor para que nos ayude el vacuum a jalar el booster, porque está muy duro el pedal. Si miran, vamos a batallar en empujarlo. So, vamos a prender el motor. So the engine vacuum help us to push the brake down. See, the brake pedal down, but block the wheels and put the handbrake on. Ok, vamos a poner el tornillo aquí. Ok.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running
instead
right?
of go get the replacement, because it's gonna take long to order it from go get it at the dealer maybe, or order it to the online. This is a permanent solution. See, I'm gonna put this one right here, right there as the other one, and that's gonna open the circuit. See, this one closes the circuit to send the light or the current to turn the light on for the handbrake, for the stop lights. See, right there. See, let's put the nut on this one, and we got it. See, let's check over there, and if it's got lights. Vamos a checar allá afuera si tiene luces. Si no tiene luces, ya está arreglado. Okay. There's no more light. No more light. Right there. Let me step on the brake so you can see. You can see better. All right. Now let's get this nut tight on this car. It's not so difficult to reach this one, you see. No es tan difícil en este carro para alcanzar a poner el tornillo. Ok, está muy bien. Vamos a mantener el pedal hacia abajo para poder meter la llave aquí. Let's get this bolt tight.
Or do you just want to make sure your car is running right?
Right there.
Turn to the technician, give them auto technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance.
Right there.
They are AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fan bills, timing bills, brakes, including ABS,
Right there.
and tune-up.
It's
Gabriel
tight.
Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician.
Ya tenemos apretado el tornillo. En este caso nada más fue un tornillo. A veces son dos. A veces trabaja el cruise control para el shift lifter, el shift lever, para muchas cosas, para varias cosas es switches. A veces son dos. Sometimes there are two switches, one for the cruise control or for the shifter lever. See, release when you step on the brake, right there. So you got it. This is a permanent solution. See, right there. It's not gonna harm anything because this one it's plastic on this side. See, and it's working fine. Ya está arreglado el problema de la luz y por qué se bajaba la batería, o por qué se bajó la batería durante toda la noche. Al otro día llegó el dueño y no prendió la camioneta, se le hizo tarde el trabajo y pues me lo trajo porque dijo que algo estaba pasando. Okay, we fix it. See, this guy get up in the morning and the truck doesn't want to start. They charge the battery and they saw the light on, so that's why he brought it to me, because it was draining battery. So thank you for watching the channel. Okay, thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like on the video if you like it. If you don't like it, well, that's your problem, not mine. Thank you for watching again. Muchas gracias por ver el video y por ponerle me gusta si les gustó, y si no les gusta pues ni modo, ya ni modo. Muchas gracias por ver el video y por suscribirse y por apoyar este canal, para que otra gente pueda mirar también lo que estoy haciendo. Tal vez sea en beneficio de ustedes, tal vez no, tal vez lo vieron por pura diversión, por cosa de que no tienen que perder el tiempo, ¿verdad? Ya lo perdieron conmigo. Pues muchas gracias. Ahí los vemos. Suscríbanse.
Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician. Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.